Welcome to New Botany, and thanks for joining me on this sunny winter day in February, where I'm on Sneinton Dale in Nottingham studying an individual tree because it's got an interesting and unusual moss growing on it. And the tree in question is just about 20 yards up the road from the community centre in Sneinton, again on Sneinton Dale. And this is the tree and what it looks like with the moss growing on it. And the northern side of the tree is really covered with this moss. And I think they're all the same, but part of the idea of this video is to see whether these mosses are all the same species. But as you can see, they're growing in the crevices in the bark mainly, and sometimes on the surface, and these mosses all seem to be showing pale yellow or white capsules emerging from the gametophytes or green herbage on the plant. And the purpose of this video and the purpose of my investigation is to find out what exactly this species is, because I'm pretty sure that it's an Orthotrichum, but there are a number of species and they will all look rather the same. So I'm going to have to use some method to try and identify this species and set it apart from the others. And I'm going to do that by looking at published photographs, mainly in the CISBR FBR website bryophyte section. And there are three mosses I think this one could be. The first one is Orthotrichum tenellum, and that's a beautiful photograph there by M. Luth. The second one is Orthotrichum pulchellum, again, which looks rather similar, but there's quite a lot of green herbage on this one, green gametophytes, quite large. And in this one, Orthotrichum affine, the capsules are largely hidden by quite long green leaves. And here are the photographs of the plant growing on the tree, and here's the first picture. And as you can see, the capsules are quite an individualistic shape. They're shaped rather like corn on the cob with brown stripes on them, and they're emerging quite a lot from the greenery on the plant. The capsule seems to be taking up more of the size of the plant again than the gametophytes are. And looking at these pictures, you can see that they have a consistent shape, consistent size, whitish in colour, and there aren't any peristomes visible, which it tends to make you think it's not diaphanum. So if we eliminate diaphanum from the investigation, we're really left, I think, with one species, which I think this plant is. And there we go. It really looks very much to me like tenellum. Tenellum is the one on the right there, and my photo is on the left. And I think just from looking at these photos, one would have to conclude that the plant is tenellum. Now, tenellum is not a common moss. It's common on the western side of Britain, and it's becoming more common on the eastern side of Britain. I don't know whether that's due to climate change, whatever reason, but it does grow on trees. It's normally a Mediterranean plant, so it could be spreading as a result of climate change. Here's a close-up of the distribution map, and as you can see, Nottingham is in the centre of Britain. And you can see that there are one or two dots showing that the plant is to be found in the centre of Britain around Nottingham. So it's obviously been found here. Maybe my tree on Sneinton Dale is another location. Thanks for watching.